I'm CJ Walker, and I'm just constipated with knowledge that I wish to share with you, give to you, if you will, on how to solve the ever so infamous Rubik's Cube, or as I like to call them, possessed puzzles. First things first, retrieve your Rubik's Cube. Splendid! Now, you may feel that there is an exotic force field protecting your Rubik's Cube. That's called plastic. No worries, I have a tool that will help us. But remember, whenever wielding a knife, ask for adult supervision and always ask your parents before going online. Just a neighborly reminder, you don't have to be a surgeon or a butcher for that matter to make some clean, quality cuts. Well, I think that's it. I'm just gonna put this back for now. Now, you can open your Rubik's Cube with ease. Would you look at that? Oh my. Step 1. Prepare for frustration. Solving the cube is no easy feat. Instead of engaging in a wild and merciless rage, here are some healthy alternatives for handling the situation. Punch a pillow semi-aggressively. Make incorrect edits on the Wikipedia and leave not so pleasant voicemails for friends and family to enjoy. Step 2. Confuse the cube. Wow, this cube sure looks confused to me. Step 3. Look for patterns. Look here. Looks like we have two little buddies. That is a pattern. That's a little V. Can I get 2 red? I can. I can get 2 red. Step 4. When solving the cube, if it feels repetitive, redundant, and even boring, well, you're doing it right. If you hear strange voices emanating from deep within the cube, well, you're crazy. Step 5. Solve the cube. Sometimes the cubes stick a little bit because they're trying to hug each other. Would you look at that? In just 5 simple steps, the cube has once again returned to its original form. Let's set it on its nifty stand. How nifty is that? This calls for celebration. Whoa! Let's not get too crazy now.